Alright, welcome to the channel guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin and find out what will happen to the Bitcoin for the next couple of days and next couple of weeks, right? And now everyone talking about the Bitcoin and Bitcoin crash, Bitcoin downtrend. When will be the main Bitcoin downtrend happen? Well, you can see a downtrend started from here like 20 July. And it continues to go down and already in a downtrend. And you might heard about that Tesla also has sold their 75% of Bitcoins, right, currently. But the main thing, so what is the main reason for this downtrend? The main reason is the US dollar, right? US is strong US dollar news, right? And take a look at this one. The US is inflation rate has rises up to 9%, and this is the highest inflation rate has ever recorded since 40 years. Since 40 years, right? The gasoline has gone up, electricity and food and all the main stuff, the cost has gone up, right? And look at the chart over here. The inflation rate rises step by step, month by month, has gone up since last year, right? And what things will do the Fed for this inflation rate, right? So when inflation rate getting higher, they will increase their interest rate, right? So interest rate decision comes up by tomorrow, and you can see the report over here, and you can see the by tomorrow the interest rate decision and from statement federal fund rate comes up by tomorrow, and of course they will increase their fund rate, interest rate decision more than the previous one. This is the previous rate, and I'm expecting that will increase up to 3% there. The forecast is 2.5, but I'm expecting 3%. And let's take a look at the previous chart, the previous interest rate history, and this is the current previous month interest rate, right? June interest rate, and 2.5, right? And look at the over here, the 2004 to 2008, and this was the global recession time, right? And you can see the inflation started to go rise step by step, right? That's gone up. The inflation rate gone up step by step. And this is the US recession time, right, in the 27 and 28 year, right? And now what happened? US inflation gone up, and the inflation rate started to go up, right? And this is a starting point, just like that. And that will increase more in the next couple of months, right? So when inflation rate gone up, US dollar will increase, US dollar will be strong, and that causes the Bitcoin is a downtrend, right? So I'm expecting for the next couple of days and couple of months, once release the interest rate, the market will go down by tomorrow, right? And there are more news yet to become, but the main news is the interest rate, right? So let's take a look at the chart. Well, so the main reason is interest rate. So this is the chart over here. Once interest rate released, I'm expecting some kind of market downtrend to around here. You can see a trend line over here, right? And before the downtrend is started, I'm expecting some kind of market pullbacks like to these areas, right? And market goes down just like that. And here will there's another market retest these areas, and yeah, will break the line. And there's another market retest and market consolidations around these areas, and yeah, the downtrend will be started just like that, right? So this is the a downtrend that I'm expecting, and all the cryptocurrency market will go down, right? Just like that. So let's see what's going to happen to the market. The possible trend is a downtrend, according to my opinion, right? But when this is a long-term market, this is a swing market, right? this is the main downtrend that will take so much time. But in the meantime, you can long for the short term, you can short for the short term trades, right? Long and short. You can do both. This is the main thing, the main downtrend. Let's see what's going to happen in the next couple of days. See you again, guys, with a new update.